Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So as you might have noticed, we have been posting a lot of our Astro gameplay in the past week or so, and I even bought myself an Astro plushie. That's just how much I am immersed and enjoy the cuteness of that game. So if you want to check that out, I will leave a link up here. So enough about that. Today, we will be unboxing and reviewing a gaming headset from one of the well-known brands when it comes to budget quality audio equipments. They first specialized with budget quality microphones, and actually the one that we are using in our setup right now is from the same company. Actually, I love this microphone so much that I have reached out to them and asked if they want to do a collaboration with us here on YouTube. And they have responded and sent us this gaming headset, the AmpliGame H9 gaming headset, for us to unbox and review in this channel. This is the Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Yep, you heard that right. So the spelling of the company is Fifine, and I've heard some people say it's called Fifine or Fifine, but apparently the company name is pronounced as Fifine. And if you are also interested, actually our mic here is also from Fifine. This is the AM8 dynamic microphone from Fifine. And before we go ahead and unbox this gaming headset from our friends from Fifine, let me just give you some of the technical specifications of this headset. This headset can be connected in two ways, either the 3.5mm jack or via USB with the soundbox. It has a 50mm dynamic driver and a response frequency from 20Hz to 20 kHz. It also has a detachable microphone, which is an omnidirectional condenser microphone. So if you don't need the microphone when you are using it, you can just remove it from the headset itself. Since Fifine is known for their microphones, I'm actually excited to try and test if this microphone, the condenser microphone included in this headset, will be just as good as the ones that we have here, or somewhat similar. Of course, I will not expect it to have the same very much high quality as the AM8, but I would expect that it is much better than other microphones on other headsets. And another thing, this headset is quite light. The headset in itself is said to be around 260 grams, and with the sound card USB connection, it will be around 300 to 305 grams. So let's go ahead and unbox this Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. So now, let's take a closer look at the box of our Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. So as you can see, it's just a simple brown box with simple graphics, which I find very refreshing. No, because a lot of the headphone boxes that I have seen in the market, they have elaborate boxes, and maybe it's just my personal opinion or view, but sometimes some of the quality is being reduced because they need to, put some of the cost on the preparation of the box in itself. But that is just my personal opinion. Let us agree to disagree on that portion. But yeah, I find this kind of packaging quite refreshing. Okay, so let's open up our box. And as we can see, once we open the box, we can see, of course, our paperworks for the instructions and whatnot about our headphones. Okay, and then we have the headphones themselves. Okay, so let's put the box aside first. So this is our Fifine H9 gaming headsets or headphones. So as you can see, it has actually some nice colors here. I got the white one. They have three colors. So they have the black, this white color, and a pink colored one. So depending on your choice of color and depending on your setup. So I chose the white because we have an all white setup here. So as I can see, the quality of the cable is actually quite nice. It's a braided cable with a 3.5mm jack. And the headset itself is, it's quite light. So we also have some great bands on top with the logo of Fifine. Okay, and of course the iconic smiley face that they have on the sides of the headset. So all in all, the quality of this headset, I find that it's quite sturdy, and I like how the cushions on the earmuffs feels like on my hands. And hopefully these are earmuffs that can be replaced. Let's see. Okay, so that's good. So earmuffs are removable. So it means that we are able to replace these earmuffs. Hopefully they have this in their websites if we want to buy some new earmuffs. Okay, so that's the earmuffs and this is the headset. Okay, so let's put this aside first. And let's go back to our box. So in our box, we still have one more box inside, and I think I know what's inside this box. Smaller box. So I think our detachable headphone should be here, and our USB connector. So what sets this headset apart, and I think it's quite nice, is that this conversion from the 3.5mm jack to the USB will give you better sounds and better microphone because of the built-in sound card inside this connector. And as you see here, I'm not sure if it is able to be seen. Let me try to go closer. So there's a 7.1 surround sound button here. So it would be very nice to see how this works. Okay, so we also have our mute button here for the microphone and a separate volume for our headset in itself and our microphone. And like I said, I also like how they have the microphone to be detachable, so it will be easy to use the headset if you're gaming and you need to use the microphone. Just plug it in, or if you don't want to use the microphone, you can just detach it and place it somewhere. So that is the unboxing of our Fifine H9 AmpliGame headset. So let me just put this back together and we will do a weighing of this headset and do some tests when it comes to the sound quality of both the headset and the microphone. I'll be right back.
It on Friday.
So are you gonna interview your father?
If I can catch him.
もちろん実在するものではなく、思念でイメージしたものである。
Okay, so thoughts when regards to the sound quality of this AmpliGame H9 headset from Fifine. Well, I really like the sound quality of this headset, not only when it comes to music or videos, but especially on games. But my personal thought about this surround sound option that we have on the sound card, I would rather use it when I'm playing games, especially first-person games, be it one-player RPG games or online shooting games like Fortnite, Valorant, Counter-Strike. And it really helps you to hear somewhat the surrounding sounds. Not that great, but it is good with the surround sound. But when it comes to music and videos, I would rather, my personal opinion, rather turn this surround sound off. But it will still up to your preference if you want to turn on the surround sound or not. It doesn't have that much of a difference when it comes to music and videos, but I can say that I would rather turn it off than turn on the surround sound. And so, overall, the sound quality of the headset for this AmpliGame H9 gaming headset are crisp, full, immersive sounds. You will really love it. And now, we will go ahead and test out the microphone on this headset. Alright, so we're back and now we're going to test the sound quality of the microphones, both from this microphone inside the AmpliGame H9 and our AM8 microphone. So in order to do that, I am using two machines, one for the AM8 and one recording for this headset, the H9 AmpliGame headset. So from here, we will be able to compare the sound quality of the microphones from the AM8 and from the H9. So we will be switching the audio from our AM8 to our H9 in 3, 2, 1. So this is the sound quality of the voice coming from the microphone of our H9 AmpliGame headset. So do take note that these two microphones are actually different. This is a dynamic microphone and this is a condenser microphone. So the thing is that for condenser microphone, since it's smaller, but it takes more sounds from the outside environment, so anything from scratches like typing or mouse clicks will be heard more from this type of microphone than this type of microphone. So what can you say about the sound quality of the microphone from this H9 AmpliGame headset? We'll switch over now to the AM8. So this is the AM8 microphone that we are using regularly in our channel. So what can you say about the sound quality with this AM8 microphone between this and the H9 quality of the microphone? Again, we will switch in 3, 2, 1. So again, this is the sound coming from the H9. Testing 1, 2, hello, check. How's the sound quality for the H9 AmpliGame headset? And this is the sound from the AM8 microphone that we have over here. So, what do you guys think? Final thoughts about this headset, the Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Well, I really like the build quality of this, and it's very lightweight. So, even if I will wear this for a very long time on my head, I don't think I will have any problems. The ear muffs as well, the leatherette ear muffs is quite nice on the ear. And I think I will be able to use this for long session times, be it for gaming or simply just watching videos or hearing some music. And I also like that they included this built-in sound card, which makes the sound quality even better than just using the normal 3.5mm jack. And it also has the option to use the 7.1 surround sound, which in my opinion, this is just my personal opinion, I would leave it off for me. But if you like the sound quality of 7.1 surround, go ahead, do it. It doesn't really change that much the dynamics of the sound coming from the headset, but there is a slight difference between turning this on and off. And I also like that there are separate buttons for the volume control for the headset and the mic itself. So when using it, be it in live streaming or gaming, I can change the volume not only of the headset, but also for the microphone. And it also has a built-in mute button here in itself. So it will be easier to mute myself if needed. And this is just a nice touch, the clip here. So it means that I can clip it somewhere here and it's easier to control the headset from whenever place I need to clip this on. Also, if I'm just listening to music or watching some videos, I can actually just remove this detachable microphone so that it's not in the way and it still looks stylish and very nice. And don't forget that they offer this headset in 3 different colors, the black, this white color, and the pink color. I was also really surprised about the sound quality that came out of this microphone. As you have also heard, it's very good quality coming from this microphone, and I am very well pleased with the performance of this microphone on this headset. Other microphones that I have tested, once the microphone is a little bit too near to your mouth, you will hear that like grumbled sound, but I didn't experience that in this microphone. So it just means that when I use this for Zoom calls or Teams calls, it just means that I will be sounding so much better than using other regular headsets. So what do you guys think? Are you interested in this Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset? Well, it got my 2 thumbs up. And if you're interested in getting this headset, why don't you head on down to our description below where I will put our affiliate links for Amazon US and Amazon UK. I will also include the official link for the website for this headset so you can check out the specifications for yourself. And what's more, upon recording this video, this headset is actually on a limited time deal on Amazon US. So why don't you get yours now? And if ever you just missed that limited time deal, don't you worry. our friends from Fifine got your back. So they have also given us a 15% coupon code which we can use to buy this headset in Amazon US for all of you guys who are watching this right now. So head on down to the description below and get all the details. And again, thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye!